Hello, guys. So it's currently like 9:30 right now, and I'm on my way to my boyfriend's house. Well, actually, I need to get gas first, which is kind of not convenient because I'm gonna be backtracking, but it's fine. But it takes about like an hour for us to get to each other's houses. So like we always like leave like super early in the morning to get to each other's houses so we can be with each other like, all day and stuff. I'm going up to his house. We're gonna go to the zoo. This is not how my hair is gonna look. These have been in this braid. My hair has been in this braid since like yesterday, like before I went to work. So like it's literally been in a braid for like over 12 hours. So I was gonna take it out whenever I got there so it would still like look decent and stuff. Cause like since it is like an hour-ish car ride there, I don't want to like have like fall out or anything, you know. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get gas right now, which is really inconvenient because I'm backtracking, but I have 82 miles until empty. So yeah, and I'm also like starving, which is not going to be good because I won't be able to eat for like an hour. And I'm probably going to get hungry by the time like I get there, and I'm already like super tired because I went to bed at like 2 in the morning last night, and I woke up at like 8:20 this morning. I was supposed to wake up at 8 and then like take a shower and like get ready and everything and leave by like 9 o'clock, and it's like 9:30 and I'm just not leaving. Okay, so it's currently 10 o'clock right now, and it got like really nice all of a sudden. Like it's like sunny and everything out, and like before I started driving it was like really cloudy and like gloomy, and I was like, yeah, it's most definitely gonna rain. But now I'm like, I don't think it's gonna rain, and I'm kind of excited because that means it's gonna be a nice day. And I can, I don't know what I was just gonna say. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get back to driving. Just up to you guys. It's like 10 o'clock right now. So, almost-ish kind of there. I honestly probably have about like, well, I wouldn't say like 30 more minutes. Like, I definitely do still have a while, I guess you could say. My hair is also looking kind of rough, so I can't wait to get it out of these braids because I need to look somewhat decent than this. This is kind of scary. But I'm gonna get back to driving, and hopefully in the next clip I'll be with my boyfriend. So, okay, sorry. So I'm with my boyfriend, and he's making me sit in a steaming hot car while he's out there getting gas. Where is he? There he is. I'm really sweating. We're just gonna sit here and wait for him to come in. He left his phone in here. I deleted that one. That one's so ugly. Oh my god, I'm literally dying of sweat in here. Can you please hurry up any longer? There's gonna be a little sweat.
I should have spent $26 because then I would have spent $4 at the freaking thing. And then that would have been $30.
$4 at the thing.
At the car wash.
Oh my god, the air feels so good. I was sweating.
Well, there you go, babe.
You gotta say hello.
Hello. Oh my god. My stomach just cramped when I drank that.
We got a Starbucks. Strawberry lemonade fresher. What'd you get? Oh, was that your thing?
Oh, I guess it is on that thing. Cookie crumble.
It just says mocha cookie frappe.
Oh my god, this is very good.
I don't like that. But we're going to the zoo.
Oh, so you're gonna let me go? Oh my goodness, wave him on. Say thank you. Thank you, big person. And go.
I really love this angle.
I know you do.
It really just does us justice. But we're on the way to the zoo. And we're gonna look at lots of animals.
We gotta take cute pictures of the animals.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the zoo and then we're gonna go to the mall. My eyelashes look kind of good. Kind of shocked. Okay, goodbye. I missed it. Good lord. Here's the money.
Is there nobody that's coming? Oh, man. I think I picked one with only one person in it.
Oh, look at you go.
Hello. You think I should put this ticket in my window?
The inner child in me is so happy right now. Oh my god, and there's sloths too. I'm so excited.
They're from Kentucky. I forgot I had this.
Okay, we gotta go to the zoo. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so right now, yes, my earbuds have mermaids on them. We're just not gonna mind that right now. I cannot find my actual ones, but these ones are pretty cute. So I was like, why not? But this is gonna be a montage of just us looking at all the animals and just everything, and some music that's not copyright that I won't get copyrighted for. So enjoy. Well, I missed it. Oh my god, they're loud.
They go in themselves.
We gotta go. Oh my goodness. Did you get that? Oh my god, that was so scary.
I just got attacked by a parrot.
Look at this bear. Tell me this bear cannot jump over that. That's literally the cutest thing ever, besides you.
Okay. Cool. Oh my god, we should do an OOTD. Do you know what that is?
OOTD, outfit of the day. Who's your sweatshirt?
That's a shirt.
Under Armour shorts. Shoes.
Okay, this is just a black shirt, a belt,
Gucci belt.
some pants, and some Vans. Oh, I think the ducks here are broken. It's showing us it can balance on its head. was gonna move. That's not gonna be okay. We got Dippin' Dots. We aren't doing too well.
It's all hot and cold at the same time.
I love these.
Let me try yours.
I know.
Okay, I should go get those.
I don't really like that kind of ice cream. But I got rainbow ice. What'd you get?
It's mint chocolate chip, but that's it.
We are sweating.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Logan, go see the dolphin show.
What time is it?
1:33.
This is about to be crazy. Yo, just did a front flip. That's so cute. Oh, they're gonna wave. What the? Look at this.
How do I get way back?
Right past you.
We didn't. We lost. We're lost. Wait, where?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. God, we're stupid. Okay, so to give you guys some context behind what's happening, we lost his car. Like, we didn't know where we parked at, so that's what was happening in this, just to let you guys know what was going on. How do we pass your car?
I don't know. Burn your legs. Don't sit on it. Macy, it's gonna burn your legs.
I'm fine. Oh, no.
Sweating.
Wow.
You want to keep the map? It's hot. It's so hot.
Should we do a haul of what we got?
Yeah, go ahead and do it.
What? I got a little baby dolphin.
I sweat it's so bad.
I got a dolphin bracelet. Oh my god, that is so freaking hot. Oh, mine's dripping everywhere.
Let me try it.
I was thirsty.
It's sour.
Okay, now we're going Chick-fil-A. I'll see you later.
Is this a nugget? Is this a nugget?
Don't mind the way I look right now. I never ended this video, because literally as soon as we got done at Chick-fil-A, we went back to his house, and then we literally fell asleep for 2 hours, and then we woke up and then went to Walmart, and I didn't film that because it was literally 2 seconds of us just going to Walmart, it was nothing fun. And then his mom made dinner, so then we ate dinner with his family and everything, and then we went back in his room and literally fell asleep again, or I fell asleep again, and he just played Madden or 2K or something, and then I left, and I was yeah, it's there really wasn't anything for us to film, we were sleeping, so we're not gonna film us sleeping. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the animals with us. And I personally, my favorite was the dolphin show, explains as to why I freaking got a dolphin stuffed. I know I look like I'm 12 years old for getting a dolphin stuffed animal, but I'm sorry. But yeah, so I just wanted to tell you guys like why it ended so like abruptly, I guess, and I didn't really ever like close out the video. But it's just because we literally went back to his house and literally just fell asleep because we were so tired. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me and my boyfriend go to the zoo. And there's gonna be lots more videos coming out. I've filmed so many right now and I just haven't gotten around to edit them yet. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's about it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.